to you. Happy birthday,
Ate.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy
Birthday, Ate.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Love you, Ate.
To you.
Yay! You like it? Are you surprised? Surprise! Surprise, Ate! Love you! Yeah, I'm there too. Yeah, you can have a prayer and then blow your candle, okay? Sige lang.
Hug mommy, hug mommy.
Birthday, may
Birthday.
May panganay.
Sige. Oh, sige. Cover mouth. Diba, you make a prayer to Jesus. You close your eyes and say a prayer to Jesus. Don't just wish for something. You thank Jesus for everything in your heart. Say, close your eyes, feel Jesus. And then afterwards, if you're done, we will pray.
Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you.
Are you done? Sige, blow the candle. Happy birthday! Yay!
I love you.
Hey, happy birthday! Tulog pa si Anya. Kung kailan kailangan niya magising na maaga, hindi siya gising. Kasi aalis po ako ng maaga. Punta akong ang bukol. Love you, ate. We love you. Do you love your birthday cake request? You still remember that in Pampanga? Hey! Happy birthday, Ate Eva. Love Daddy, Mommy, and Anya.